In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video ad in Canva to sell your product. We'll keep it simple, clear, and effective, so you can get a polished ad out fast. Start by launching Canva. In the search bar, type video ad or marketing video. You'll see a variety of templates designed for different platforms and goals. Pick one that matches your required format. Whether that's a square post for social feeds or a widescreen layout for broader placements. Templates are a great shortcut because they come with ready-made layouts, timing, and visual rhythm you can adapt to your brand. Next, upload your product photos or video clips. You can drag and drop them right into the template frames. Then open the edit video tools to trim or crop. Keep each scene tight. Aim for 3 to 5 seconds per second. Hot, short, focused clips help your message land before viewers scroll away. Show the product clearly. Lead with the most eye-catching angle and cut any extra seconds that don't add value. Now bring in your branding. Replace the placeholder text with a clear headline, a concise benefit, and if needed, a brief call to action. Adjust fonts and colors to match your brand guide and keep contrast high so everything is readable on small screens. Use elements to add stickers or shapes that guide the eye. Highlight a price or feature. Or frame your product. A little goes a long way. Keep the design clean so the product is the hero. To elevate the feel, add music from Canva's library. Choose a track that matches your brand energy. Upbeat for launches, calm for premium products, and keep the volume balanced so text and visuals remain the focus. If your template includes timing, use BeatSync to automatically match your cuts to the audio. This creates a professional, snappy flow without manual adjusting. Before exporting, play the ad from start to finish. Confirm every clip is under 5 seconds. Text is legible, colors are consistent, and the message is unmistakable within the first few moments. Tightening timing and clarity here will improve performance across platforms. When you are happy, click Share and download as an MP4 file. MP4 is widely compatible and keeps your ad looking crisp. Save a high-resolution version for your main upload, and you'll be ready to post across your marketing channels. That's it. Thanks for watching.